Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Concours 14. This super sport touring machine, 1440 cc's, just arrived with only 14,944 miles. Beautiful condition, shaft drive, big power. This one's got the locking side cases and the Kawasaki top case. Adjustable windscreen, heated grips, shaft drive, fuel injection. Come on by. Make your super sport touring dreams come true. Call for pricing. Prices are going up. Call soon. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, check out that windscreen. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.